happy Father's Day from the Outdoor Movement. Got Jackson, Ashley, and Easton, and you can tell we're knee deep in the water somewhere. And we're going clamming today. So we got the clam rakes. Got a couple of these guys. And we're gonna go see if we can try to find some clams. So this rake is a special rake made for clams. These are the teeth that dig in the sand. When they hit a clam, you'll hear them go ding, and then you shuffle under it, you scoop it up, and that's how you end up with it in the basket here. So we're gonna go out here.
Thing to put our clam in.
Nice.
And that's how we keep our clam alive.
Okay, deal.
Yeah, we keep it up with water and pour it in there.
Okay. All right, so boat's right there. We officially made it this far. And if you listen, hold it real close, Jackson, you'll hear it go tonk. Let's see if you can hear. Oh, there it is right there. But you can put it underwater if you want, Jack.
And there we go.
First one.
I really want to catch one. This is my favorite thing to do.
I love clamming. It's like Easter egg hunting, but for food.
For food. No candy, that's unhealthy. Clams Casino.
There you go. All right, underwater gardening's paying off. I got 2 more. That bumps us up to 9 now. Just dragging along, and this raft makes it really nice to not have to walk back to the boat every time you find one. Oh, we got another one. There it is. Can't wait to eat these things.
Mom?
All right, guys, well, we're back. Fun day on the water. Got the boat all cleaned up. Just about to go in here and show you how to clean these clams once you get them. But just kind of talking through the uses. You heard Jackson mention Clams Casino. We do have a video. I posted a link in the description as well for this video. So if you want to see that, that's a great recipe to use these clams for. You can make clams linguine. You can make chowder. You can make all kinds of stuff. Clam fritters, fried clams, however you want to cook them, you can do that. And they're amazing. And they're fresh and they're delicious. You can also use them for bait. So if you check out any of my spade fishing videos, every one of those we're using clam. And spade fish absolutely love it. You can freeze clams. Don't be afraid to put these things in the freezer. And when you need them, you can take them out up to a year later. And they've already got the juice frozen in them too, which is a big bonus. So if you're making something like chowder, you get that clam flavor. So anyway, let's get to actually how you cut one of these things open and get in the shell if you want to eat them fresh. Take 4,000.
Cut.
Cut means you stop. Action is what.
Okay, action.
All right, so how to clean a clam. Once you go have the fun of finding the clams, we got to clean these guys. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to scrub this guy down. Get all the funk off of it so it doesn't get in your food. Next, we're gonna take, so next step, you're gonna take your clam, you're gonna find the beak, which is the middle of where the two shells meet, right there, okay? You're gonna lay your knife right in there, and you wanna use a thick knife, something that's got some backbone to it, or you're gonna bust your knife up. Lay it right on that beak. Just drive your hammer right through it. There it is. Go back the other way. And what you're doing is you're cutting this muscle on both sides. That's what's holding the shell together. And that's it.